Welcome to the GLAC Studio. This is Gomathi Siva Sankaran, founder CEO of the Guiding Light Art Company, building bright futures through art and yoga. I welcome you all to the product launch of Attract Abundance with Dhanya Lakshmi. This is one of the 8 paintings that I have made in the series of Attract Abundance that's also celebrating diversity. This painting happens to be the second of the 8 paintings. Dhanya refers to the crop wealth. So, this is a goddess of crop wealth in one of the 8 forms of this Lakshmi goddesses that are known for all the positive propensities of life. And Dhanya, being the goddess of crop wealth, is also coming from Denmark. So I have used the image of a little girl from Denmark for an inspiration to build on this goddess image in the form of a little girl. Also, we can celebrate diversity through that. And I have also used some Viking periodic patterns as jewelry and such, and have enjoyed adorning her with that. This particular experience of celebrating diversity and empowering girl children alongside creating or recreating the images of these 8 goddesses has been uh, you know it was blissful. And I have also had this experience of placing these goddesses for a puja celebration, Vaibhava Lakshmi puja celebration, that you can also find videos of in my website. This is a 40 by 50 centimeter oil on canvas painting that I have made, and the original prints and NFTs are also available on my website for sale. You can also find tutorials on how to make such a painting if you're curious to know more about it. I hope you are also attracting abundance along with us. Thank you very much. Bye bye.